Hello GUIs. In today's video, as promised, we'll learn how to make a custom nif-bashed outfit with Outfit Studio for new beginners. We'll also learn some gender swapping magic, as basic as it gets texturing, and how to delete unwanted parts of the mesh. It's all the useful skills you'll need for nif-bashing. Well, except for weighting and partitions, but we don't talk about it here. What we are doing today is the outfit that consists of cas pants, ranger shirt and a hood. We'll call it a basement loser outfit. Now we need to import the meshes, but here's the problem. Game got packed in the BSAs. It won't be a problem for us, however, because we'll use Bethesda Archive Extractor to extract them bad boy meshes and textures while we're at it. There won't be a tutorial how to use it, because it's as simple as it gets and just works. Honestly, just extract everything you can and keep it, it may eventually come in handy. So now we can import the meshes. Let's start with the pants and shoes. Import the mesh. For the sake of simplicity and our sanity, we won't do partitions. Like ever. So, delete all the parts we don't need for now, we'll clean it up later. What we left with is the lower body. Be sure to name it upper body, however, to prevent first-person clipping issues. Next, we add NCR Ranger outfit and do the same for it. Now let's add the hood. Don't mind the texture issue. I have no idea what the hell is this, but it'll work. Funny thing is, Ghost skeleton is kinda compatible with human skeleton, so we don't need to do weighting. Only things left is to make sure it fits our body. And what do we see? As the pants were taken from a female mesh, they're shaped funny. Let's do some adjustments, and while we're at it, add some skin to be seen in those holes. Mask the vertices you want to keep and delete the rest. We'll pretend the uppermost hole doesn't exist, because seeing underpants through it is bonkers, and I'm too lazy to download a proper male body mesh. Don't forget to include some vital shape adjustments. For example, I think this outfit needs more junk in the trunk and a big fat cock. But you do you. Export the outfit and we're good to go for now. Now let's add the outfit into the game. I'll use Gecko, you can use xEdit if you want. Let's copy the most similar outfit, which is NCR Ranger clothes. Nota Benny, I use GECK Extender. If you use regular one, you probably already did 100 dirty edits by this point just by looking at it wrong, so I really advise to use GECK Extender. We'll rename the outfit, remove additional stuff we don't want like gloves and save it. Important note, ESP is just a worse ESM, so if you don't have to make a file an ESP for load order reasons, don't. After we saved the file, we can change the mesh. So what you see here guys is that I'm a moron and forgor to actually enable the files and as such can't find them. After some minor adjustments, we can finally change the mesh to ours. Let's check it in game. We'll cheat it in our inventory for demonstration purposes, but you'll probably want to add world integration, and it better be not placed randomly somewhere in good spins, please. Looking good so far, but we see some issues we'll have to address. First of all, the hole between the shirt and a hood. Second problem is that hair clips through the hood. Let's fix it first, as it's an easy fix. We boot up Gecko or xEdit again and add hair to the body slots list. We'll also add the hat one so we can't equip them hats with it. Just like radiation suits or Chinese stealth armor, we made an outfit that has headgear fused into it, so we have to adjust. Now again in Outfit Studio, we'll change the texture. First of all, we need the textures themselves. Copy vanilla textures so we can modify them. We won't need normals, so just copy the diffuses. I'll also copy a hood texture just for reference. Let's edit our textures. You can use paint.net if you are lazy or GIMP. They both have native DDS support. Photoshop, if I recall correctly, requires a plugin for this and is paid, so it's a no-go for me. I'll use paint.net because I'm lazy like this. What we want to change first of all is the color of the handkerchief. Choose one according to this useful table. No slut shaming, but as default orange is too much for me. I have preferences, you know. So we'll go with dark green on the left side. I was ready to go, but decided to go extra mile and make the rest a bit pinky. Now let's adjust the shirt to the color of the hood. GIMP would be very helpful here, but it's beyond my pay grade. So with low effort we save the textures. Now let's apply them in Outfit Studio. You can also use nif-scope for this, but whatever. At this point I gave up on writing the script, so just do what is shown on the screen. That puke stain on shirt is just a cherry on top. Now while we're in Outfit Studio, let's adjust this hole. I got bored, so it is as low effort as it gets. Let's export the outfit and check it in game. Important note: delete the partitions data from your mesh so it doesn't behave unexpectedly. It looks magical as expected. Leave a like if it was helpful. Ask the questions if you can't figure how something works. Subscribe for more new Bigas content. In the next video, we'll learn how to export face-gen textures so you don't see weird discoloration where it shouldn't be.
So what if I like getting railed by a man? There's a lot of things you wouldn't understand. And ride my path, live to break the law with my ass in the mouth of a death cloud.